Lucian Mass is steadily taking shape as Saint Lucia approaches the summer months with a palpable buzz building across the island. The excitement is keen as Kaiso tents lead the charge, galvanizing fans and setting the momentum for the highly anticipated season.
And if you horn me, if you hit me, lie to me, lie to you back. You betray the ring, I giving up everything.
Culture Minister Dr. Ernest Hilaire assures the public that the peak of the festivities is yet to come, promising even greater thrills in the weeks ahead.
It's a special time of the year for us, and especially persons who follow Calypso. And certainly this year we added an extra night for each Calypso tent. So whereas in the past they had 2 nights and then went into quarterfinals, this year they'll have 3 nights and then go into quarterfinals.
Saint Lucia's premier summer event continues to draw visitors from across the globe, prompting stakeholders in the accommodation and transport sectors to ready themselves for the anticipated influx.
All indications are such that we will have a bumper carnival season. The flights are difficult to get, rooms are difficult to get, and we expect our numbers to be bigger than they were last year.
Despite the early onset of summer rains, officials remain unfazed, confident in the Carnival Festival's inherent resilience and its proven ability to thrive regardless of weather conditions.
It's a question now of executing. The rains have started earlier this year, and like everything else, but we know Carnival is during the hurricane season, so we just ride with it and take it as it comes.
From Kaiso and Calypso to soca, pageantry and revelry for both adults and children, officials are diligently working to deliver a spectacular carnival season for all.